Alright folks, welcome back. Today we are going to be making Dolly Parton's favorite yellow cake mix. The ingredients you're going to need for this is 1.5 cups whole milk, 4 large eggs, and 10 tablespoons of butter. We're going to be using the Hershey's chocolate icing because from Betty Crocker, because they didn't have any of the Dolly icing. Sorry Dolly, but let's get to work. So we got our butter all melted. We got 2 9-inch pans out here, which we've greased up with some of this Baker's Joy spray. Got 4 large eggs. Got our whisk. And we can get started. And we got a cup and a half of milk right there. So that's all the ingredients you need. We got the oven preheating. It calls for 350. But we're using a conventional oven, or convectional oven, so we lowered that to 325. Eggs. Oh, okay. Wash your hands. And yes, those are heart-shaped pans, because this cake is for a sweet person. Okay, so we're going to put our 1.5 cups of milk in there. Our 10 tablespoons of melted butter. Clean up this salmonella here on the counter. Alright, now we gotta whisk this for about a minute. It's all smooth and blended. So we got it all blended up. It's very, very thick. I guess it's from all the butter. Now we're going to divide that into our 2 9-inch heart-shaped pans. I know, don't you love it? Super thick, y'all. That's what makes all that southern food so yummy, right? All that butter. I remember when I was in Gatlinburg and we went to Paula Dean's restaurant. They brought us out them biscuits. It was nothing but butter. But they're yummy. You have to indulge every now and then. Smoothed out. Getting ready for the oven, which again is preheated. Ours is preheated to 325, but you have a regular oven. Preheat that to 350. And these are baked about 26 to 28 minutes, folks. Time to take the cake out. There's one. There's the other one. Alright, so we're going to take a toothpick, a little wooden toothpick, and we're going to put it in the center. Comes out nice and clean like that, we're good to go. So we're good to go. We're gonna let these cool down for a little while, and we're gonna ice them. Alright, there we go, folks. That is Dolly Parton's favorite yellow cake mix. Yummy yum. On top of that, we iced it with the Hershey's Betty Crocker milk chocolate icing. What do you think? Does it look yummy? Would you try it? Leave me a comment, subscribe, leave me a like, please. And we'll see you later, folks. Bye.